Hi everyone, welcome back to Chart Mastery. Today I'll show you how to create a dynamic chart in Excel that updates instantly using a slicer. This interactive technique makes your report and dashboards much more engaging and user friendly. So, what is a dynamic chart with slicer? A dynamic chart is a chart that changes automatically based on the filters you apply, without needing to recreate or manually update each time. Using slicers lets you easily filter your data with just a click. No complex formulas required. So, why to use a dynamic chart with slicer? It makes your chart interactive and easy to explore different categories or time periods. It helps business users quickly focus on specific segments. Great for dashboards and presentations where flexibility is the key. Slices offer a visually intuitive way to filter data, better than drop down filters. So, in today's video, I'll show you how to create a dynamic pie chart and a donut chart in Excel, when to use them, why they matter in data analysis, and how to avoid common mistakes. A pie chart is a circular chart divided into slices, where each slice represents a portion or percentage of a whole. For example, if you're analyzing sales by region or expenses by category, a pie chart helps you see which part takes up more space visually. It's often used to show part of a whole relationships. In data analysis, we use pie charts when we want to visually communicate proportions and want a quick, easy to understand snapshots. There are small number of categories, ideally less than 5 or 6. But when there are too many slices of similar values, it can get confusing. And that's where a donut chart helps. A donut chart is like a pie chart, but with a hole in the middle. It's more modern and often used in dashboards and reports. You can also add a number or label in the center hole, making it perfect for executive summaries or KPIs. It solves the problem of clutter and makes better use of space, especially when formatted cleanly. For this example, I have sales data across different regions and product categories. Let's build a dynamic donut and a pie chart that let us slice by region. So we can instantly see the sales breakdown per region. First, convert your data into an Excel table. Select the range and press Ctrl T. This makes it easier to work with slicers and charts. Next, we have to insert a pivot table from the table data. Choose a new worksheet. Drag the category field to the rows and sales to the values. Now, with the pivot table selected, we will make a copy of this table. Now, select the pivot table, go on to the pivot table analyze and insert slicer. Choose the region field. This slicer will let us filter the charts dynamically. Click on different regions in the slicer and watch how the table updates instantly to show sales only for the selected regions. Now we'll select the table, go on to the Insert tab and insert a donut chart. Now we will customize the chart using Chart Design tab to make it more visually appealing. Now we will copy paste the chart 6 times to make it multi-layer donut chart. Now to add the data labels, we will first go on to the Format tab and select Series 1. And then we'll add the data labels. This will add the labels for only Series 1 and not for all of them. Now our multi-layered donut chart is ready, and now we'll insert a pie chart. For inserting a pie chart, we'll follow the same process. We'll select the data, go on to the Insert tab and insert a pie chart. Now watch how charts are getting updated instantly to show cases only for the selected regions. And that's how you create a dynamic chart with slices in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more chart mastery tutorials. Drop your questions or video requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching.